Welcome back to my channel, you guys.
Hello, my name is BlancaEstela. Oh shit.
Do you guys like my new wig? I love it. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my... What month is this? May. About my May Yes or Yes bag. It came in a bag this month. So I'm going to be unbagging it. See what's in there. Show you guys what I got. The retail value, because these are full-size products. And then, yeah. Kind of like what I do with my Ipsy bags. But these are actually full-size products. Not like, Ipsy where it's, you know, sample size. So yeah, usually it comes in a box, but this month it came in a pink bag, kind of like the Ipsy ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and first pull out. I did get a little paper with like the retail prices and all of that. And this month's box retail value is $91. So you know, girl, $91. I only paid $16.99. Is that right? I will make sure that I'll put it on the screen somewhere. But yeah, and then this month's, I guess, theme was Miami Art Decor. So that's what it's on the back of the paper. Okay. So I'm going to do what I do with my Ipsy bags. I'm just going to pull each product out. And then I'm going to read what's on the little sheet. And then the value of the product itself. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is this baked highlighter by Estate. I don't know how you pronounce it. And I believe this is in the shade Doomy. That's what it says on the box, but I could be wrong. But this is what the packaging looks like. And then I still don't have my nails. I'm probably going to go get them done next weekend. I wanted to give them a little bit of a break from the acrylics. So that's why I don't even have any nail polish on. But, you know, I've been more comfortable without nails. But I do miss them. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is what it looks like outside of the box. And it is a pretty, like, goldish baked highlighter. And then this is what the back says. I'm just gonna go ahead and like wipe it with my finger, see what comes out. Oh, that is really pigmented, girl. Do you see that? You can actually use this. You can actually use this as an eyeshadow as well. So you know, that's pretty cool. Okay, so this highlighter retails for $12. Not bad for a highlighter. I mean, I've purchased bigger ones that were less for $12, bigger than this, but it depends on the quality as well. So I would be trying this out really soon because I already have my makeup done. So you know. Okay, so the next thing I pull out is a Cosmoholic liquid lipstick with a LED light. Ooh. Oh, you open it and it has a little light. That is so cool. But this is what the packaging looks like. It is a liquid lipstick. And it comes with a little mirror. I'm going to take off the little plastic so it can be easier to... There it is. So that's the little mirror. So convenient. I like the packaging. It's plastic and this is matte black, which is pretty cool. And this is what the LED lights look like, and it comes with a normal looking wand. And this is in the shade, it doesn't say, it doesn't have a shade name, but it looks really pretty. I'm just gonna go ahead and Do a little swatch on my hand. It looks a little bit too sheer to be a liquid lipstick. It doesn't say anything about it being matte or anything, but that's a swatch. It is a really pretty nude one. It kind of looks like a lip gloss to me, but I don't know. We'll have to try it out later and see. This liquid lipstick retails for $25. Oh, that's blinding though. That shit's really bright. But I'm excited to try this out actually, and this is actually be really good, convenient. Like if you're out clubbing or something, you already have the mirror on here and you have the light, so you know you don't have to look for light or mirror. It's all in one lipstick. So you know what? That is actually pretty good for $25. It's actually not bad. If I end up liking this lipstick, I'll probably end up getting more shades because it is convenient. So you know. Okay, so the next thing I pull out is a smear proof eyeliner by Sorme Treatment Cosmetics. I think that's why I say Sorme. And I got the one in the shade teal. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. I like the packaging. I like how it's square because I don't really see much squared eyeliners. All just circle. But you know, this is actually pretty cool. And it is a really pretty teal. That is really pigmented. Teal shade. I always like smelling eyeliner pencils because I like the way pencils smell. Okay, so this eyeliner pencil retails for $18. Okay, so the next thing I pull out is a lip pencil. This is by Laritzi Cosmetics. Doesn't say the shade. Oh, the shade is in the red. The shade is on the box and it's Retro Red. Retro Red. I haven't taken it out of the box yet. I want to show you guys the box first. And then I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box. So this is what it looks like. The shade is right there. And then there is the brand name. And it is a really pretty, like, bright red. Not like a dark red. Kind of like a bright red on the nude side. It is really pretty actually. I think this actually matches the lipstick shade. So it's actually pretty cool. Maybe they did that on purpose. But it is a different brand, so that is pretty cool that they actually matched them together. This retails for $18 as well. I've never bought another lip liner for $18, so thank you. That's actually pretty cool. You see why I love Yes or Yes? Like, they're full-size products and they retail more than the price of the actual bag or box. And it's brands you've never heard of, so you know you get to try new brands, which is something that I really, really love. And then the last thing, I did get 5 products. Sorry, I didn't say that in the beginning, did I? The last thing is a eyeshadow by Nomad Cosmetics. Yeah, and this one says La Habana. La Habana. What's the shade though? Maybe it's on the inside. This is what the packaging looks like. Oh, the shade is Cohiba. Cohiba? I think that's how you say it. This is the packaging. I like the packaging. It's in a square compact. And it's matte black. That's the brand and the name of the eyeshadow. And this is actually cruelty free. And, ooh, this is actually pretty. And then this is the actual eyeshadow. That is really, really pretty. And I like how it comes with a mirror. That is so cool. Hello, camera. That is a really pretty shade. I'm going to go ahead and do a little swatch. Ooh. That is a really pretty bronzy shade. Ooh, that is really pigmented. This retails for $18 as well. $18 for a freaking eyeshadow. I've never purchased an $18 eyeshadow either, so damn. But yeah, that is everything in my YAS box. So everything did retail for $91, the whole box value, and I'm actually pretty happy with what I got this month. And then they give like little previews of what they're gonna give in the upcoming months. And next month they're gonna give a eyeshadow palette, and I'm actually excited about it because it looks really, really pretty. So, you know, yeah. If you guys are interested in trying YAS or YAS, I do have a discount code to get 10% off your first box. So I will link that on the screen somewhere, but I also have it linked down below in my description box with all my other discount codes. And yeah, you get 10% off your first box. You can cancel anytime you want. And yeah, you get full-size products, you guys. So, you know, it doesn't hurt to try it. But if you guys do try it and you end up liking it, let me know. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys like the wig, let me know. If you guys want to see me in different color wigs, let me know what color you want. I'll get it. I'll make it happen, you know. I love wigs because it keeps me from doing my hair. I hate doing my hair. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye guys. Love you.